me introduce myself first. My name is Manuel. I'm going to tell you one wild places in the world. But firstly, we need to know what is wild places. Wild places is the natural areas of wilderness that have not been significantly altered by humans or organization and projects designed to wilderness conversation, outdoor education, and community stewardship. Now, after knowing what is wild places, I want to talk about my topic in this lesson. My topic is the bird of paradise from Papua. The bird of paradise or burung cendrawasih is a family of endemic birds found in eastern Indonesia, Papua New Guinea, and eastern Australia. Famous for the exquisite by and brightly colored plumage of the males use their complex feathers and elaborate dance to attract females during mating rituals. This species serves as the mascot for Papua and plays a vital ecological role as a seed disperser, but its population is threatened by illegal hunting and habitat loss, making it a currently protected animal. Characteristic 1. Plumage. Males have exceptionally beautiful, brightly colored feathers such as a green, blue, yellow, red, and purple, often with long ornamental plumes extending from the head, wings, or beak. Females have simpler duller plumage. 2. Size. Size varied depending on the species, ranging from 15 centimeter to 110 centimeter and weighing between 50 grams and 430 grams. 3. Mating rituals. Male birds of paradise perform complex dance and display their plumes to attract the attention of the females. 4. Habitat. Birds of paradise in habitat moist tropical rainforests from the lowlands up to mountains areas with altitudes reaching around 2 to 2,400 until 2,500 meters above sea level. They depend on dense forests with tall tree for shelter, nesting, foraging, and conducting their mating dance. Apart from Papua, their habitat is also found on surrounding islands such as the Aru Island. 5. Diet. They consume a variety of fruits and certain type of insect. And the last is status and role. First, status. They are protected by law because their population is threatened by illegal hunting and habitat destruction. And 2. Ecological role. The assist in insect dispersal and forest regeneration as pollination agents against. And 3. Culture symbols. They are regarded as the bird of heaven and hold deep philosophical significance, even becoming a batik motif and a mascot for the Papuan people.